Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, cryptocurrency indexes, stock market, futures, commodity, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Forex BKS. So coming to next week, there could be a few good opportunity in the market. Looking at the chart, right? So but before that, let's check out what happened to the calendar, right? To the news. So this week, right, all the data come out, right, is for USD, for Euro. Excuse me. That there's not a convincing data, right? You see the Euro, is hit and miss, right? The French is a miss, the German is a hit. Overall, the manufacturing improved, but the services, went down. So German, UK also, the services are manufacturing slightly above expectation, but the services PMI went down. So you call US CAD, CAD retail sales went down. So US, PMI went up. Services manufacturing PMI, but the services PMI went down. Crude oil, this one is for Canada. Crude oil went down, good for Canada dollar. And then this one, right, the pound, right. This bank statement, right, the statement from the this one, the pound, right, from the central bank of pound, Bank of England, right, stating that they are not going to raise interest rate in the near future. So there is some kind of bearish tone, to what they are talking about. So pound remain slightly bearish. There's not so optimistic, and the USDJPY also didn't go beyond expectation. So it just hit maintained 6.4. Unemployment claim also went up. So there are PCE price index, and consumer sentiment also went down. So all is hit and miss, hit and miss. So there's no very strong currency. There's very strong currency that actually came out from this whole week of data, right? There's not a winner. We didn't see a clear winner over all this, among all this currency which is in play, right? Therefore, you can see the chart, right? We didn't see a big movement, a big turnaround or big movement. So most of it is going sideways. So coming to next week, right? Monday, there are nothing much. Consumer confidence on Monday. So all this, right, unlikely how it will change the direction of the trend. Maybe you slow down, the trend, but unlikely it will, make a big direction change, right? Wednesday. So Tuesday, Monday, there's no big events. Tuesday there is Italian bank holiday. So maybe the UK, the Europe session will be slightly slow. So Wednesday we got China manufacturing PMI. This one, good China PMI, right? Will affect the Aussie, and the Kiwi. The better the China, the better the China grow, it will be better for the Australian dollar and the Kiwi, due to they export a lot to China. So Euro, flash climate, this one, CPI, CPI flash estimation year for yearly, so they expect a slightly drop. So US, okay, Wednesday we got some data, non-farm employment change, they expect to be much better. UK CAD GDP, they expect a drop. So Chicago PMI, pending home sales, and oil inventory. So Monday there could be some, okay, could be some volatility in the evening on the Chicago PMI and pending home sales. Okay, see whether the data comes up positive or negative. So Thursday, okay, Thursday we got Canadian bank holiday, so there will be slower US session. So we got US unemployment claim and manufacturing PMI. So there's slight volatility also. Okay, and also government Bailey speaks. Okay, Bank of England. So this one, okay, looks let's check. Okay, let's wait and see what kind of tone he bring to the, okay, to the market. Okay, last week, right, the Bank of England bring a bearish tone. Okay, to the market. So this one, let's see how it goes. So also we got Europe, we got final manufacturing PMI, okay, which is 64.9. They maintain the same rate. So Friday we got government Bailey speaks again. Spanish unemployment change, ECB President Lagarde speaks. So there was two central banks speaking. Okay, so Friday we be careful. And evening, okay, there could be, okay, Thursday and Friday, okay, in the US session there could be some volatility in the USD because of this average hour earning, non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. Okay, so other than that, okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nothing too much. Okay, most likely the movement will start around Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Monday and Tuesday, nothing much. Okay, so this one most likely the movement will start. Okay, before we start, take a look at the pair. We take a look at DXY, the US dollar index. Okay, so US dollar index is still above 91.35. So okay, our bias is still, okay, a bullish USD. Okay, we are still on a slightly biased to a strong, okay, the stronger USD. So Euro USD, okay, Euro USD, we got some 3 pin bar over here, okay, 1 pin bar, 2 pin bar, 3 pin bar. So there's a lot of support over here. Okay, a lot of support. So this one, right, is like you shall not pass. Okay, there's the bull are supporting this, the bear, okay, is supporting this area, which is R1 1.1984. Okay, they are saying that you shall not pass this area, right? So they are defending this area. Okay, so next week if the price actually, okay, breaks below, okay, this three candle, this three candle formation, okay, this three candle formation, a break below that, so we can look for a sell towards S1 1.18635, okay, possibly below. Okay, if we can break S1, possibly we look for S2 1.1736. Okay, but for our first target, okay, after it can break out, okay, our first target will be S1. Okay, support 1.1863. This is the previous high here, right? Okay, so this is our target. Okay, so this is looks good. Okay, looks good for a sell opportunity due to the, you know, one 2 time 3 time. Okay, so there is the bear is defending this area. Okay, looks good, and this is also the area that we mark. Okay, R1. Okay, so of course ideally, okay, ideally we want the tail to be longer. Okay, tail to be longer to touch the, okay, to touch the R1 area on rejection, but this is quite close. But okay, for a better, okay, for a better entry signal, right? If we buy here, okay, so there's still a risk that the price might come back down here, okay, due to the price haven't actually retest R1, right? So it's for safer, okay, you want the price to come back up and break the bottom here. Okay, this area, which is 1.1906. Okay, let's put a price here. Okay, 1.1910. So USDJPY also created another pin bar here. Okay, so we are still bullish USD, so we are still looking for buying opportunity. This one is a bit tricky because if we buy, right, we are buying to the top of the channel, right? We are buying to the top of the channel. So okay, because we got resistance over here, right? So this one, okay, I will draw a channel over here. If the price come up, break up from this channel, right? Break up from this channel, okay, then okay, possibly possible to buy, okay, towards the top of the this channel that I draw now, top of the channel, which is near to this R2, okay, towards R2 111.7 111.68, okay, 111.70, put it 7 111.7, okay. So you go to the 4 hour, right, or you go to 1 hour, you can see what I mean. Okay, you can see actually there's a channel developing over here, right? Let me, okay. Okay, we go to the micro, okay, a little bit more micro so you can see clearer, okay, what is this channel. Okay, so there is a channel actually developing over here, right? So if the price actually break, okay, above this channel, above this area, right? So there's a possibility, okay, buy, okay, towards the next resistance. Aussie dollar, okay, Aussie dollar, okay, this one looks not much, this one looks nicer, okay, because remember we got a resistance over here, right? After we break this, we want to sell, right? We want to sell, remember, okay? Support, support, now broken support, okay, become resistant. Okay, so this will be a very good, much more better opportunity. Okay, this is also one of my favorite trade for next week, coming into next week. Okay, R1 0.7853. Okay, so this one possible. Okay, there's a possibility to buy. Okay, after a break of this pin bar. Okay, the break of this pin bar towards okay S1. Okay, 0.7418, or okay safer towards this high. Okay, the previous high of this. Okay, the previous high of this candle formation, because they are bears, they are bulls, okay, defending this area, okay. So there are some strong bulls over here, 0.7476, okay. Or okay, if it can go through, then we'll look for S1 0.7418. Okay, so this will be my one of my favorite, okay, my favorite trade going into next week. So USD dollar, remember we talked about this, right? This USD dollar, USD Canadian dollar. Okay, so this is a pin bar signal for buy opportunity. So this one we are still holding it. Okay, the price is still not going anywhere. Okay, it's a little bit sideways. Okay, but this one, if you haven't buy, okay, if the price breaks, okay, breaks above, okay, this pin bar again, the previous this pin bar we talk about, okay, the price come back break above, then there's an opportunity to buy towards R1 or possible, okay, top of this okay, these two candle here, okay, there's a bull, there's a bear defending this area. Okay, so there could be 1.2464 or 1.2405, okay, first target and the second target. Okay, so this one wait for a break. If you already buy, okay, from the last week setup, right? So this one just hold it, okay, hold it, and of course the stop loss will be below this support one, right, which is also the below the low of this pin bar, okay. Pound USD, we said that this signal is not too very strong, right? Okay, but after the bearish sentiment come out from the Bank of England, so the price continued to go down. Okay, this one we didn't talk about any signal, but going into next week, right? Selling now is a bit too late. Okay, because the price has went halfway, right, between here and here, so there's a risk and reward. It's not very good. Okay, so this one we'll leave it first for next week. Okay, New Zealand dollar USD. Okay, New Zealand dollar USD also. Okay, quite similar to pound USD. Okay, so this one looks good. Okay, looks good for sell trade also. Okay, so wait, if the price can break below this pin bar, right? Break below this pin bar. Okay, so there's opportunity to sell towards S1 0.69449. Okay. So we want the price to actually break below this pin bar first, because this pin bar is not very strong pin bar, it's not very big pin bar, it's a smaller pin bar. So we want the price to positively move our way first. Okay, because the price might continue going down next week. There's a possibility. Okay, the price might continue to go down, so we want some a better sign that all the trader really see that this one already broke down. Okay, then only we got a opportunity to sell. Okay, because this pin bar is not very big. Okay, if we have a very big pin bar, then we are very confident going to the market. But this pin bar, you compare to all this, right? All this price action here is quite small. Okay, that's why it's not considered a very strong, very strong signal. But it is a pin bar nonetheless. So gold is still sideways. Gold still sideways. Gold, we want to wait for a break of R1 1803. For buy opportunity, or break below 1753 for sell opportunity. So the SPI is still sideways. Nothing much we can do here. If the price comes down to S1, create a pin bar over here, then possible we want to buy. Or the price move above resistance one, retest, then only we want to buy. So this one, there's no setup over here. Similar to the DAX, DAX also coming to here is also sideways. Sideways, so we want it to break above resistance one, retest, then only we want to buy. Or the price come back to support two, rebound, only we want to buy. Here we don't want to buy here because we don't want to buy into resistance. Resistance here, or the price cannot break this area. Remember, you may not pass. So I always remember this phrase. Whenever I see a lot of resistance there, I must remember this area there. Gandalf say that you shall not pass. So the Nasdaq continue to go up. Nasdaq, I missed this signal over here, the break over here, right? I missed the break over here. This was a retest. This was a retest. A break, came back and retest, and then continue to go up. I missed this signal, so this one is too late to chase. If you already got the, if you already open the trade, right? So continue. Possible continue to hold it. Until we see a bearish price action. So this is a possible Hirami. Hirami. So the price might still come back down. We might got our second time entry. So we might still get our second time entry. Hirami. Hirami. Is a false to the market. Could be a reversal. If the price come below the Hirami, right? So there is a possible reversal. Then come and retest at R1 and rebound at R1 again, right? So we want to go for a buy trade. This one we already changed our buyers back to buy. So back to buy because there's a lot of support over here. Initially we wanted to sell this. But now the direction has changed. Now we want to change our direction due to a very strong price action over here, right? All the green color candle coming back in. So we want to wait for it to break above R2, resistance 2, a break above, retest, then only we want to go for buy. We don't want to buy now because we don't want to buy the resistance. Remember here, you shall not pass. these are the area you shall not pass, so we want to go, don't want to fight that. S&P also broke above, okay, S&P also broke above, right? So it looks like the index is going back into the risk on, okay. So don't know how strong, how long this US dollar strength will last, okay, because normally when the index is very strong, right, the dollar will go down, and when the dollar is very strong, the index will go down. So now it's a big conflict because we are seeing the index is going up, but the dollar is still strong, okay. So there's some mixed conflict of information over here, okay. But we look at the chart, okay, we trade what we see, okay, we trade what we see. So this one we wait for a comeback and retest, okay. There's no retest yet on the breakout, so we want to wait for a retest and a rebound, then we want to buy, okay, on R1. Look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin broke down 30,000. So as I said, this one stand at the sideline first. Okay, wait for the price come back and broke above 39,000. Okay, which is the resistance over here. Then only we want to re-enter the market. Okay, now take the money out and put in the sideline first. Similar to Ethereum, because this one could be a start of bear market. Okay, so Litecoin similar, SRP, okay, similar. Okay. So take the money and put it in the sideline first. Okay, we want to see some bullish, okay, string coming in. Only we want to re-enter the market. Okay, if you are first time following my channel, remember to subscribe. Okay, help me subscribe to the channel. Okay, you want to spread this Forex channel, okay, further. So also remember to like and share. Okay, like is very important. Your like is very important to the channel. You can smash it, you can hit it, okay, or you can tap it, okay, on your phone, whichever you want. Okay, help me, and also share this with your friend who is interested in trading Forex. Okay, the US indexes, okay, some of the indexes, the AUD, the DAX, and also the SPI. And also, okay, anything, right, I will put on my Twitter, okay, Forex BKS. If every morning I do my video, okay, I do early morning video between 10 to 11 o'clock, okay, 10 to 11 a.m. Okay, on the Singapore time, okay, Singapore time, which is GMT plus 8. Okay, so this one every morning, okay, I will talk about all the major pair, okay, all the major pair, some indexes, the US indexes, DAX, and also SPI, Australia, and also, okay, on the cryptocurrency, okay, so don't miss every morning, okay, we will do an analysis and a forecast. So thank you for watching. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.